On this slide, we derive equation of the ellipse. So we will first start by drawing the ellipse. So let us have the figure of the ellipse. We have the point P here, focus 1, focus 2. This is the vertex of the ellipse. We say it is point A. Its coordinates are a comma 0. So let the coordinates of point P be x comma y. This focus is at point minus c comma 0. This focus is at point c comma 0. So you can see that the distance from origin is c here, and distance of focus 2 from origin is also c. This distance is a minus c, that is f2a is a minus c. So this you need to keep in mind because we will use this in the derivation. So this point we call as B and its coordinates are 0 comma b, and similarly this point is 0 comma minus b. So remember the relationship between c square and a square and b square. It is c square is equal to a square minus b square. So first notice that pf1 plus pf2 is equal to af1 plus af2. This follows from the definition of the ellipse. So what is af1? So af1 is 2c, that is f1 f2 plus f2a, which is a minus c. And what is af2? af2 is nothing but a minus c. So now the c's cancel out and we are left with 2a. Now what is pf1? pf1 is distance from P to F1, that is distance from x comma y to minus c comma 0. This will be x plus c square plus y square. Pf2 is distance from x comma y to c comma 0. So that will be x minus c square plus y square. This thing is equal to 2a. So we mark this equation as number 1. Now we multiply both sides of this equation. By square root of x plus c square plus y square minus square root of x minus c square plus y square. So once you multiply, on the left hand side you will get x plus c square plus y square minus x minus c square minus y square, and this will be equal to, the right hand side would be 2a times square root of x plus c square plus y square minus square root of x minus c square plus y square. Now let us focus on the left hand side. So let us expand this out. We get x square plus c square plus 2cx plus y square, and here you will get minus x square minus c square plus 2cx minus y square. Now let us cancel the terms out. X square cancels out, c square cancels out, y square cancels out, and we end up getting 4cx on the left hand side. So let us copy this result down. Now we get 4cx is equal to 2a times square root of x plus c square plus y square minus square root of x minus c square plus y square. Now 2 cancels out. So we will now simplify this equation and write as x plus c square plus y square minus square root of x minus c square plus y square is equal to, you have 2cx by a. So this is equation 2. Now we add equation 1 with equation 2. You get 2 times square root of x plus c square plus y square is equal to 2cx by a plus 2a. Now again 2 cancels out. Now we can square both sides. We get x plus c square plus y square is equal to cx by a plus a square, which is c square by a square times x square plus a square times 2 times cx by a times a and a cancel out. So let us focus on the left hand side for a minute here. We get x square plus c square plus 2cx plus y square. Now 2cx and 2cx cancel out. Now we bring the x square terms on the left hand side. So you get 1 minus c square by a square times x square plus y square, and you take c square from left hand side to right hand side. So you get a square minus c square on the right hand side. Now we are almost done. We divide both sides by a square minus c square. So we get x square by a square plus y square by a square minus c square is equal to 1. Or you can say x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now this follows because c square is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore b square is equal to a square minus c square, and that is what the substitution we make.